Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We're hanging out with Alton McCrea today.
Hey, what's going on, everyone?
All right, so Alton, people don't know who you are.
I come from a small town called Andrews, South Carolina. I'm a Southerner, and I'm here in California now, in the Bay Area.
Hanging out here in the Bay Area, bringing that Southern food is what I'm seeing over here.
Yeah, man, a little bit of Southern, little recipe I worked up over the years.
Yeah, how'd you learn it?
Well, basically watching my grandmother cook, coming up as a little boy, and
Yeah.
just sitting over there observing everything she do. And then eventually, when I got a little older and stuff, was able to try to cook for myself. I said, you know what? I just got in the kitchen and
Started working it?
Yeah, and then eventually I caught on to it, and now I'm here today cooking for you.
And you've got a little girl over here too?
Yeah, my daughter, she's 11 years old, actually.
Kamaya is her name, right?
Yes.
She likes your food, obviously.
Yeah, she loves it.
She better,
She
right?
talks about it at school, and have the people at school coming to me asking
Yeah.
me about it.
Yeah, so you don't have to start cooking up for the whole
Yeah,
school
I think
probably,
that's-
right?
I think that's what it was beating around to.
What we're doing here.
All right, we're gonna have a little bit of steak and shrimp
Uh-huh.
with teriyaki. We're gonna have sesame orange chicken and shrimp. We're gonna have sriracha steak and shrimp. And we're
Okay.
gonna have white rice.
And some white rice. So we're basically going to where?
Panda Express.
That's right! Nothing like having Panda Express right here at home, right? So we have a Deserving Dad award on Dad's That Cook, and Alton is our first recipient of the Deserving Dad award. And we had some fun at the river where we tried to drown him with a life jacket on, by the way. You had to be there. It was funny as hell.
It was funny, man.
It was super funny. It was super funny.
Fun. It was a learning experience for me.
So Alton's been busting his ass. He's been working hard. Him and Erica been providing for their family with Kamaya, and they're doing everything they can to make sure that Kamaya gets a good education, that there's food on the table, that they're get good jobs, and they can keep things happening. And because you are busting your butt, we want to make sure that we recognize you as being a kick-ass dad and doing what you can. So,
Oh man, that's cool.
so now, Chef Alton's going to be working it,
Oh yeah.
right?
Oh, we missed the pound.
Uh-huh.
We missed the pound.
Okay, so you're going to run us through some of this stuff, right?
Right here, I got my sirloin steak.
What'd you do with that sirloin steak?
I got a little bit of Monterey steak season on it.
Yeah.
And, I got my shrimp with Old Bay season on it. I
Okay.
got my onions and bell peppers chopped up, ready to
You got
mix
that
in-
ready to roll?
Mix in there with those. I got my sesame seeds over here. Ready.
Hanging out in a little baggie over
Mix
there.
in it with
Some
my
chicken.
And I got
More
my orange
shrimp.
sauce, my teriyaki sauce, my sriracha sauce, and my Crisco.
Your grease.
My Crisco and a little bit of flour.
A little bit of flour.
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's all our ingredients. We got some Old Bay, got some chicken, lemon, Montreal steak. I think we've got some ribeye in there too, right?
Yeah, ribeye. This is ribeye right here.
Ribeye right here. What seasoning are you gonna put on these guys?
I'm gonna put the lemon pepper seasoning.
All right, do it.
Then I take my Monterey steak seasoning. And
Yeah.
Do the same process again.
I like Montreal.
Yeah. Gives it a good taste.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Looks good. So everything's got Old Bay on it.
Yeah, everything got Old Bay on it. That's the only thing that's on it.
And what are you gonna throw on the chicken over there?
I'm gonna put the Monterey chicken.
Some Monterey chicken
Seasoning.
seasoning. All right,
And-
great.
Yeah.
You've got a little Crisco. I don't do a lot of Crisco cooking with my stuff, but
Just use a little bit of Crisco, not too much, just enough just to
so we've got a little.
coat the pan.
So we're doing all three things
At the
same time.
Yes, sir. So right now I take my shrimp
All right, he's gonna take a shrimp.
and I will just slide it in there.
He's got a shrimp, sliding that in there.
Yep.
All right, so we just got some Old Bay on this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's good. And you're doing it kind of low because you don't want why?
I don't want it to burn. I don't want it to cook too fast.
I love burnt food though.
Oh man, not
It's the
everyone
best.
loves burnt food.
So good.
Now I'm about to take my onions and bell peppers.
Yeah.
Just a handful of it for right now.
Yeah.
Throw that in here. Let that simmer.
Okay.
That's for the steak.
That's for the steak. Just get in there and shake that stuff up.
Yeah.
Just throw the steak right in there.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we got the meat and it's just kind of doing its thing. Got the shrimp. That's really low. You don't want it brown.
I want it brown. I want a little brown.
A little brown,
I
but
like a little brown.
you'll
Just
kick
brown.
that up a little bit later.
Yeah, a little bit later.
Okay.
A little bit later.
Hey, look, I know these people.
Dying to see what we have.
Come on in.
Out here,
What's
your
going on?
favorite.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Thanks for coming.
You hungry?
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Do you like your dad's food?
Yeah.
You do. Why?
I don't know.
I don't know either. It tastes like. Yeah, it tastes like food. It tastes like food. He makes good food. I can't wait to try this. So, do you like Southern food?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Has he made this for you before?
Yeah.
He has. This is his dish. This is the one. Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to trying this out. Well, we're proud of your dad. We're proud of what he's doing. We're proud of your mom. Proud of what all of you guys are doing. And you getting killer straight A's.
Yeah, man.
Smart cookie. Well, we're going to have some food in a little bit. You going to come back?
And we're gonna be back.
Great.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for coming. We'll see you later. Okay, bye. See ya. Bye-bye.
Next, I'm about to get my seasoning on my chicken. I'm gonna come back to the Crisco, and here's where it gets a little heavy.
This is where it gets
A little bit heavy, just to get enough.
That's just a little bit. I don't know, buddy.
It won't come out. There you go.
Man, that looks like
Let
whipped
that
cream.
melt. I sit there and let that melt. Let it sit there and simmer and melt. on this rice.
Oh, look at that. The rice is doing its thing, man.
Yeah. I'm going to start throwing the chicken in now because it's pretty much ready.
Okay. So you're going to cook this up and then you're going to set it aside or what?
Yeah, I'm going to cook it up, set it to the side, and we're going to come back to that.
Yeah.
Back and wash my hands again. I'll be back with y'all.
Okay, all right. You wash your hands. I'll stand here and watch the food. So what was the name of the little town you came from?
Andrews, South Carolina. That's where I was
Andrews.
born and raised.
Born and
A little
raised.
small town. We only got 3 red lights where I'm from.
Three lights.
3 red lights.
That's it. And you ran through every single one of them?
Yeah, pretty much.
And what are you doing currently right now? What type of work?
Right now, currently, I'm working at doing warehouse work.
Yeah?
Currently.
Working late nights, man.
Yeah, man.
All night long? So
All night
you're
long.
graveyard shift?
Our graveyard shift. Yep.
Man.
On my feet all day, no sitting down. I'm on my feet.
No, you're running, you're doing
night,
it.
all night.
Busy.
long. Yes, sir.
And so how do you have time to even like cook for your family or I mean I imagine
I mean, during the week, sometimes I cook little small meals.
Uh-huh.
Like, only time I really get to get like a real good meal in is like on the weekends.
Like a Sunday?
Like a Sunday or Saturday.
Uh-huh.
But sometimes maybe like on a Sunday because like right now, today, I'll be getting ready to go to work tonight at 2 o'clock. So,
wow.
yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this shrimp over here.
On the
Sauce.
flat,
Yeah, the flat grill. Gotta just sit there and,
couple minutes.
yep.
And this just has the Old Bay on it as well?
That's it. That's all that's on
That's
there.
it.
Old Bay.
Okay.
That's it. Well,
That's looking good, man.
that's all good.
Smells good.
Yes, sir. My sesame seeds on this.
Gonna throw a little sesame seeds on the chicken?
Yeah. So
What are we doing
this
here?
is
We got
on.
this all cranked up to
Yeah, I'll take this right
Whatever.
here, pour a little bit of water on it.
agua, por favor.
Water there.
Okay.
Take
Take it.
just to soften it up, get it soft.
Yeah. I like that trick. It's just a simple bag of lettuce, a
Lettuce.
little bit of water,
Just sit there and let it steam to get it soft.
a little rice. Look at that. It came out perfect, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Y'all hungry?
Yes. All right, serve
ready.
him up a plate.
No problem, no problem.
Look at that. You like the orange chicken, right? Yeah. Because it's sweet. I like the sweeter type of flavors myself. But I do like spicy. So the sriracha, I can't wait to try. You know?
There you go. Water.
You don't have to
Bon
wait till
appetit.
y'all like to start.
You can start eating right
Bon
now.
appetit.
I want to see what's up. So let's see. She's got
I have to
the.
put mine together.
You didn't go for the orange.
Right.
You went for the
She
sriracha,
liked
huh?
that from last night. She loved
Okay, she lied to me. She said she liked the orange and then she went for the sriracha.
that. And then
So what do you think of that?
It's good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, try the orange. I want to see what you think about the orange.
Thank you.
All right, I need to try this stuff out.
Yeah,
I think
man.
I'm next.
Get you a plate, man.
Let's get you a plate too. All right, well, we'll see ya. Thanks for hanging out. Get your food. Now get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna dig into this orange chicken real quick
I'm gonna
and see what
get a little
happens here.
plate for myself.
So let's check out this
I
orange
don't want
chicken.
that much right now. Like?
Oh, that is good,
Word
man.
up.
Yeah.
Word. Thank you, man. Thank you. And that came from Jason Glow.
That's a party right there, buddy. Because the chicken's nice and crunchy, and it's got that fried chicken taste to it,
Okay, okay.
and then the sweet and the orange, and I mean, it's one thing to put orange sauce on something, and it's all soggy, right?
Yeah.
This isn't soggy. It's really
I try,
good.
man. I try.
Okay, let's try the sriracha here.
Yep. That's the new one for me. That's my first time cooking that too.
Got me some spicy on that one.
Yeah, kind of spicy. Yeah, that's what I like. That's okay. This kind of spicy.
Takes a second, then it kicks in. Learning some cool stuff. Learned a really cool thing here with the lettuce. That was awesome. I like how you kind of wilted that up and threw that on top of the rice.
Yeah.
The flavors on the food, especially this orange chicken, was probably my favorite because it's got that sweetness to it, right? But I do like spices.
Okay.
So, I mean, that was good too.
Okay.
And so was the teriyaki. So I guess they were all damn good.
Yeah, man.
So thanks for having us here, man.
Yeah, man. Come anytime, man.
And I appreciate it. I
Next
appreciate
time
it.
I got more tricks on.
He's got more tricks up his sleeve.
Oh yeah.
And the family's eating, we're eating, we're hanging out. So,
Sure.
Alton, you the man. I appreciate it. So make sure you hang out with us
And make sure you check out Dad's That Cook.
next time. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.